If you're seeing the Epic Games Launcher LS-0021 error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This error usually shows up when the launcher has trouble verifying your game files, connecting properly, or loading cached data, and the good news is that most of the time you can resolve it without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, completely restart the Epic Games Launcher. If it's already open, close it fully, not just the window. Make sure it is not still running in the background. You can check your system tray or task manager if needed, because a full restart can clear out temporary glitches that trigger the LS-0021 error. Once the launcher is reopened, go to your library and verify the game files. This is an important step because the error can happen when a file is missing, damaged, or not syncing correctly. Open the game's options, look for the verify or manage option, and start the file verification process. Let Epic scan the installation and repair anything that's broken. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it's worth doing because it often fixes launch problems immediately. Next, check your internet connection. LS-0021 can appear if the launcher can't properly connect to Epic services or if your network is unstable. Make sure you have a strong connection, try loading a website in your browser, and if possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or restart your router. If you're on a school, work, or public network, there may also be restrictions blocking access, so testing another network can help confirm that. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the Epic Games cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for launcher-related issues because cached web data can become corrupted over time. Close Epic Games Launcher completely again, then open your system's file manager and go to the Epic Games cache folder. Look for the Webcache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this does not delete your games. It simply removes temporary launcher data so Epic can rebuild fresh files the next time it starts. After deleting the Webcache folder, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and sign in again if needed. Give it a moment to reload everything, then try launching the game again. In many cases, this is the step that clears the LS-0021 error and gets you back into the game normally. If you still can't launch, repeat the process carefully and make sure each step was completed fully. Restart the launcher, verify game files, confirm your internet connection is stable, and clear the cache if needed. These fixes solve the most common causes of LS-0021 and can save you a lot of time compared to more advanced troubleshooting. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix the Epic Games Launcher LS-0021 error. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more gaming and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.